So I've been sticking with these videos because had this desire to show you what health is, and it's a great opportunity for you to see what to do when you run into what I ran into. I think Wednesday. Today's Friday, right? Yeah, it's like the 2nd October. Did not make a video yesterday because I was in bed most of the day, chilling out. Didn't have a fever. It felt like I was warm, but yeah, I could get in the grocery store I wanted to. I ate something. You can check it out, Alturas. I'm pretty sure it's what it caused. I ate something. They got these like vans and stuff sometimes, like what do you call those RVs along a road. You saw Verde. You guys, San Juan, El Have Ponce, Rincon, Maya West, Cabo Rojo. But that's a big thing, here in Puerto Rico. But I think I felt some. I got what do you call that? A veggie wrap. I said, okay, yeah, you got me my fungo. It's a big thing down here. I was just eating some bread. You'll notice my speech deficiency big time right now. Way heavier yesterday. Pollo Tropical doesn't have it. Burger King didn't have it. Sometimes Burger King has some things that are. So you didn't have it. It's mostly, they have carne and pollo and all that stuff, but no. All right, I came back. I turned around real quick. Vegetariano. See, they said they only have wraps and sandwiches, so I got a vegetariano wrap, and I noticed something crunchy. It wasn't crunchy like walnut crunchy or what do you call that? Iceberg crunchy. I was either drugged or it was that crunchy stuff that got to me. My stomach felt fine. Everything felt fine, but I'm so intuitive with my body that I feel the slightest bit of difference. And the first thing that happened, my voice was not my voice. My speech was very deficient, which is a big symptom I had with multiple sclerosis back in 2015. And this right now, well, yesterday actually, was the most efficient it had been since, no, ever. So, did I get sick? I can't fairly say I got sick. It's so the main reason point here is what do you do when, and this has happened in my life. I don't know, about five times since 2012 when I actually got sick. Um, well, Atlanta, for example, I was at the Greyhound bus station and I threw up. That was just a few months ago. It was the 8th, July 8th. And I was boarding at, I made a video about this, right? It's my speech. It's cognitive issues. Something damaged my brain. Now my body's going back to regenerate brain, and now it's feeling all kind of weird. Uh, boarding the boat, not the plane. I was boarding the Greyhound bus at 12:05 a.m., which would have been, I think, the 9th. Actually, no, the 7th. This happened, and I was boarding at the 8th. I was going to be getting a Cleveland the 9th or whatever. Maybe it was the 8th. I don't remember. Whatever. So I threw up. I felt something come upon me at 10 p.m. and minutes before burning, I threw up. Weird. My body rejected, I think, this food that I was eating. Some dude gave me food. We were talking. I prayed for him and stuff. Felix? I think so. What it was? Wow. In Atlanta. Um. So I felt really dizzy yesterday and just very weak. I think my body temperature may have increased slightly, maybe a few tenths of a degree. So, what do? You chill the fuck out. Rest. Yesterday, the first day that I did not go to the beach, watch this video with my lips and the way the words are coming out of my mouth because it really, it's coming back now after I slept a little bit, but you rest. You gotta let your body just focus on regeneration. We need no food. Okay, I didn't eat any food yesterday. Today I've eaten some bread with no yeast in it from Supermax, because then your body can really regenerate instead of digesting food. Something happened in my brain. Maybe they were using aluminum, heavy aluminum cooking things, or I was drugged. I don't know. So that's what this video is mainly about. Wow. But overall, this shows in my life that I gotta slow down across the board because something happened. A good example of this, I fell one day at the beach where you can't see rocks that are buried under the sand. And that might be sticking up a little bit more or whatever. So I fell. That was kind of weird. About a week and a half ago or so. Chill out, dude. First day, no beach. I'll go to the beach in a few minutes. Right now, it's just after 10:30 or maybe 11 o'clock. Just chill out. So it's a good chance for you to see what you do when you feel something potentially coming on. Most people, this would be, I think, a full blown sickness, and you'd be out for like a whole week. You gotta chill out. Stop eating things. And I was light in the water as well.